Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
China has issued the first batch of crude oil import quotas for 2023, mainly to independent refiners. The volume issued is about 20 million tonnes, 146 million barrels, one source said, nearly 3 months earlier than usual, in an attempt to encourage refiners to boost production. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said a decision by the OPEC Plus grouping to cut oil production was unhelpful and unwise for the global economy, especially emerging markets, the Financial Times said. The world's leading central banks are finally pushing their interest rates into restrictive territory, causing fears of overkill in financial markets and stoking chatter that policymakers may need to pivot at some point. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.9% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. Finland's industrial output will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's trade balance at 2350 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.